Welcome to WelcomeSaudi.com, and in this tutorial we can show you how to add a new restaurant onto WelcomeSaudi.com, inshallah. So, this can either be done by somebody with a free traveler account or a business account, if for example you are the restaurant owner. So if you head over to restaurants for this example, we're going to use the Welcome Saudi Jeddah restaurant, which is a demo restaurant, which at the moment does not exist on the website. So we'll type that in. Welcome Saudi Jeddah to see if it's on the website. So, not found? So we want to add this restaurant. So to add a restaurant, we go across to Contact Us. If you want to add it to the website, then type in the restaurant name. We'll put for this example, Welcome Saudi Restaurant Jeddah. Add a quick description. Welcome Saudi Restaurant Jeddah is a great restaurant located near the Red Sea. Okay, or put any description you like. You will then need to upload a photo of the restaurant. This needs to be your own original photo. So select your photo. Then you have to select a region in Saudi Arabia in which the restaurant is located. So in this example, Jeddah is in the Makkah province. So select the Makkah province here. And add a Google location. You need to head over to Google Maps for this. You find the restaurant in Google Maps. For example, this is a demo restaurant, but let's say it was in the Red Sea Mall. We'd find that destination. Click Share. Get this copy link button here. And then paste it in the Google location field here. Add your name. We'll put Welcome Saudi. Enter your email. For this example, welcomesaudi123@gmail.com. Click I am not a robot. And then click Add Restaurant. Okay, so congratulations. Thank you for submitting a restaurant. Most requests are reviewed within 24 hours. If this restaurant is approved, you will then get a confirmation email. If you are the business owner, you can then claim the restaurant and manage the page. If you are a traveler, then you've simply added a new page to our website to help fellow travelers. And thank you very much.